So, if you're a small content creator like me, then if you use this sound, then it will make your video blow up more, as well as mine. So it'll be helping the both of us. And then if you do use this sound, then I'll comment on your video, and we mix it and what's it called? Can't remember. Wait. And then I'll watch it 5 times, or maybe 10, in between them. So if you're struggling, it will benefit the both of us. So if you do end up using it, then it'll be very, very helpful to both of us. And then you can get the monetization get you one step closer to the monetization of the for YouTube that you need. So if you use this sound, like the video, comment and subscribe. I will like your video, subscribe, we watch it 5 times, and comment thank you. So I guess that all is left to say now is thank you for watching, and if you are going to use it, it'll be very good and helpful. So yeah, let's see if this can blow up. See you on whoever uses this sound. Good luck on the YouTube monetization.